Hey guys, today in this video we will talk about what is tax and what are the main types of tax. The tax discovered basically three basic type of tax. What you earn, tax on what you buy, and tax on what you own. So learn about 12 specific taxes, 4 within each main category. Earn individual income taxes, corporate income taxes, payroll taxes, and capital gain taxes, buy sales taxes, gross receipt taxes, and value added taxes, excise taxes, and on property taxes, tangible personal property taxes, estate in inheritance taxes, and wealth in taxes. So develop a basic understanding of how these taxes fit together, how these impact government revenues and the economy, and where you may encounter them in your daily life. So introduction: most taxes can be divided into three buckets: taxes on what you earn, taxes on what you buy, and taxes on what you own. It's important to remember that every dollar you pay in taxes start as a dollar earned as income. One of the main differences among the tax types outlines below is the type of collection. In other words, when you pay the tax. For example, if you earn $1,000 in a state with a flat income tax rate 10%, $100 is income tax should be within held from your pay paycheck when you earn that income. So taxes on what you earn. Individual income tax. An individual income tax or personal income tax is levied on the wages, salaries, investment, or other forms of income an individual or household earns. Many individual income taxes are progressive, meaning tax rate increase as a tax income and so on. So, corporate income taxes. Corporate income taxes is levied by federal and state government on business profit, which are revenue what a business makes in sales minus cost. Business in US broadly fall into two categories: C corporation, which pays the corporate income tax and pass through, such as partnership, S corporation, LLC, and sole partnership. So payroll taxes are taxes paid on the wages and salaries employed to finance and social insurance program. Capital gain taxes, capital assets generally include everything on and used for personal purpose, player or investment, including stock, bonds, homes, cars, jewelry, and art.